This 2021 Coachmen Freedom Express 259 FKDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, water heater, microwave, refrigerator, smoke detector, LP detector, awning, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Coachmen Freedom Express 259 FKDS is 6,494 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.